197 Diamond Avenue in Mansfield. Got a lead on this one from our dumpster guy. Pretty sure it's actually his house. Looks like there was a garage there. So we could rebuild that if we really felt like it. Alright, so we came in the back door. Got a full bath here. Windows. Laundry area over here. Kitchen. Cabinets are in pretty good shape. Needs a new drawer. Big picture window. Floor's coming up a little bit. Bedroom number 1. LVP floor in here. Attic access up there. Big closet space. One LVP in here. Living room. Baseboard heater. It's seen better days. But overall, everything's good. Windows are good.
This out even with that and put a closet for this room here.
Okay.
And then just divide it down the center.
Okay.
And put another door over there.
Okay, so put a door on that backside there.
Take this part of the wall out.
Right.
Put a door going out by the bathroom.
Yep.
You'll still do a 5-foot deep closet here.
Okay. And basically just kind of split the middle here.
Yep, and take that thing and just seal it over.
Okay, just slide it over so you still have access somewhere.
I'd just put access in this closet over here.
That makes sense too.
What do you really need up there for?
Nothing.
But originally you can see I think they had closets here.
More than likely, yeah.
But the bedrooms would be so small in that fashion.
Right. You have to be tiny.
But at least if you do it that way, you get like 9.5 on one and like 10 on the other.
Right.
Which
That
makes
could work.
sense.
Yeah, that could work, for sure. Yeah, so basically we're at a 1 bedroom and we could easily convert it to a 2. I'm guessing this is either chimney or,
Yeah.
chimney in there. Then if we bump that out.
But I was renting like this for $750.
Okay. That's not bad at all.
And then the yard goes clear. I mean,
It looks like you got a great yard space here.
It's like 2 or 3 lots. See where that driveway kind of came in over there?
Yeah, right next to that power line.
It splits right between there.
Okay.
And then it goes back to that corner. So I mean, it's a big ass lot.
That is a huge lot. What would you take for it?
Realtor said listed for 60 like it is. I mean, make me a decent offer on it and I don't have to fool with it. Well,
Okay. All right, so we're gonna pop this window out, slide it, just basically cut half of this off, put a smaller window in here, so you got more of a full wall. Take the fridge here, stick it over here, run new uppers and lowers all down here. And that way you still got 2 bedroom, 1 bath, basically galley style kitchen here. Everything's all in a row. This could work out pretty good.